Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add friends in GTA 5 online. Alright, let's begin. First, if you want to add players from your current lobby, open the pause menu while in the game. From there, go to the Online tab and select Players. You will see a list of everyone currently in your session. Choose the player you want to add, select their profile, and send a friend request directly from the list. Next, if you want to add someone you already know, open the Rockstar Games Launcher on your system. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Manage Account. This will open the Rockstar Social Club website. Once the page loads, click your profile icon again, go to Friends, and select Find Friends. Here, you can search for your friend using their Rockstar username. When you find their profile, click the three dots next to their name and select Add Friend. You can include a short message and send the request. After your friend accepts the request, return to GTA 5 Online, open the Friends tab, select their name, and invite them to your session to start playing together. So that's basically how you can add friends in GTA 5 Online. That's it for this video. Thanks.